Greetings to all the viewers. Myself Soham Dikshit and I represent Team Code Apocalypse. The problem statement we have opted for is mobile operator booking platform with PS code being PK836 reported by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Our team leader is Jit Doshi and we are the students of VES Polytechnic Mumbai with institute code being S2244. Aadhaar card has been one of the major identification of every citizen of India. It is important to have the Aadhaar card updated timely with any modification in contact number, email ID or address etc. For a few years, citizens need to approach the nearest Aadhaar center for getting their details updated. This has been a topic of concern for many senior citizens and people who have to wait for hours in line for getting their details updated. To make Aadhaar updation easy and accessible for everyone, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has onboarded mobile operators who shall approach doorsteps to update the details of individuals and also process the enrollment. Making the process automated required a lot of human and technical efforts to make the process run for a longer time span. Here's when our mobile application comes into picture. We shall develop a mobile application to book a mobile operator with an intention to simplify and speed up the Aadhaar updation and enrollment process. We shall develop two mobile applications, namely, first Aapka Aadhaar, the one which shall be used by the users to book operators for doorstep Aadhaar updation. Second, Aapka Aadhaar Operator, which shall be used by operators to track their upcoming bookings. Some of the key features which we would be inculcating in Aapka Aadhaar application which is to be used by users are: first, login using mobile number, email ID and OTP. Second, find operators in near proximity, male operator in blue, female operator in pink. Third, view operators appointments and schedule a slot by filling registration form or calling UIDAI booking center. Fourth, verify operator by confirming their OTP. Fifth, online payment or cash on service. Sixth, fill feedback form for the operator. Features of Aapka Aadhaar operator include: first, login using registration number followed by OTP on linked mobile number. Second, update current location and track location at fixed time interval until logged out. Third, find applicants' details like address and details to be modified. Fourth, check booking schedule for the day. Fifth, notify user while reaching at their place. The flow of entire process remains quite simple and convenient. At user end, user will have to log into the application using their mobile number followed by confirming the OTP. Thereafter, they can find all the operators in their near proximity in order to classify and easily identify male and female operators. The male operator shall appear in blue color while female operators shall appear in pink color. One can click on any nearby operator and check their available slots for the particular day and for next 3 days. If they find any empty slot, they can book the appointment that very moment by filling the registration form. Alternatively, they can also call on UIDAI booking center to book a slot. User needs to confirm the OTP from the operator when he arrives at residence to gain confidence that the operator is a genuine representative of UIDAI. Then they can get the details updated and lastly fill the feedback form for the operator in order to track their process. At operator end, every operator shall have a unique registration number which they need to enter on initializing the application. OTP shall be sent on their registration mobile number which they need to enter in order to log in. By logging in, their location will be tracked and will be updated at a fixed interval of time. They can view all the details of appointment schedule on that day. While moving towards the user's residence, they need to mark "on your way" so that the user is notified about operator reaching at their place. They can hence fulfill all the appointments and lastly log out so that their location is not being tracked. The technology stack required for the development includes Flutter, Firebase for the database and Google Maps API. Flutter shall be used in order to have access of this application on both Android and iOS devices. Speaking about the use cases of our project, it can be used by first, senior citizens who would not recommend standing in long lines for hours. Second, citizens living in the outskirts who have quite a few other centers in their locality. Third, people who need to make updates mandatorily. For instance, kids needs to update biometric after certain age. Fourth, it can be used by people who have to make very minor changes in Aadhaar card. Fifth, having said that the application can be accessed over Android as well as iOS, the number of users for the application increases gradually. Some of the dependencies and showstoppers include Google Maps API. Here 28,500 maps loads per month are allowed for free and rest paid packages to scale the application. Razorpay to inculcate payment gateway where they charge 2% per transaction. Application maintenance which is nearly 20% of application development cost. Lastly, operator database which needs to have a personal details of the operator including their registration number. That's all about our project, which is being developed with immense spirit to scale it on larger scale in near future. Code Apocalypse team include Jeet Doshi as the team leader, Kush Agarwal, Smith Rambia, Soham Dikshit, Sneha Devani and Devansh Mehta as the team members. Our mentor to support and guide us throughout the journey is Tejas Shah, playing role as an academic mentor who has 8 years of experience in data analytics. Thank you so much, and we look forward to be part of Smart India Hackathon with a motive to solve a problem which would benefit the society in a longer run.